Hi, today I want to review this mini printer. This is a very good printer that you can print label out of your phone. Smart mini label makers. This is very convenient and easy to use. You can print using your application on your Android or iPhone, and it comes with a charger here, and also you can buy this sticker label from Amazon also. Just turn it way like that. The print is this side, so it's go on this direction right here, and I'm gonna show you on the app whatever language you use. If you can type on your phone, you can print that language. For me, I use Thai language. You can use Chinese, Vietnamese, Arabic, or whatever language. You can print it out from this small printer, and it's very convenient because you can use this one and put the label on whatever in your home. And I'm gonna show you on the app and how to print it out. This one is Print Master. Once you open up the app, you can download it, and you can see the printer master. This is model 3 D30, and they have operation guide here, and a lot of things that you can do. You can scan, you can do label. This one very easy, and choose your size of your label. For me is 12 by 40. This is for this size, and you can do label with cats on that, dogs, or whatever, you know, or just recently used that I use the white one. It's very easy for me, and I choose and I tap on that and I can type Sawadee Krap, that means hello in Thai, and I can hit a print label here, and the label gonna be come out. Okay, so I hit print, the label come out Sawadee Krap, this means hello in Thai. You can tear this out, and here it's very easy. You can peel this and stick on whatever you want to, and this is a sticker. I can put it here on my TV like that. That's it, Sawadee Krap. Very easy. I recommend to buy it.